Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
There are several ways that you can make pixel-based selections in an image file. Photoshop provides you with several tools that you can use to select pixels in an image. You have a set of marquee selection tools, a set of lasso tools, and the magic wand tool, among others. There are also a few commands that we can select from the menu bar that will also allow you to make pixel-based selections. After you make an initial selection, making another selection will typically replace the previous selection. However, we do have some additional selection options that allow us to add secondary selections to a primary selection, subtract a secondary selection from a primary selection, find the intersection of multiple selections, or find the union of multiple selections. Once you make a selection, you can move the selected area by simply clicking in the middle of the selection and dragging the selected area to a new location before releasing it. To make selections using the menu bar, you can use the Select menu command. Before you make a selection, you must ensure that you have the appropriate layer of the image selected in the Layers panel. You click on the layer in this panel from which you want to make the selection first, then you can freely select using the menu bar or one of the tools available in the toolbox. In this case, we're working with an image that has just a single background layer, so we're not going to have to worry about selecting the correct layer. So if you wish to select all of the pixels in an image, then you can select and then All from the menu bar. And you'll see the selection marquee tool all the way around this image because all of the pixels are selected. To deselect a selection, just select and then deselect from the menu bar. If you're using one of the marquee tools or the lasso tool, you can also simply click one time into the image outside of the selected area to deselect a selection as well. You can select your previous selection that was made by selecting Select and then Reselect from the menu bar. Now, if you make a selection in an image and then you wish to select everything except what you had initially selected, for example, over in this image where we have selected and isolated this flower, then you can go to Select and then Inverse, and you'll see then that everything else that wasn't selected is now selected.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.